Before anything is built, before any design is drawn, there is a moment of possibility. This is where it starts. One idea, one vision, and the journey begins. Great things do not come from plans alone. They come from action. The idea takes root here, and from here, we move forward. From the ground up, every detail matters. Together, we create a foundation for the future. What is built today will last tomorrow. What was once an idea is now a space where innovation and progress come to life. This is more than a building, it's a new chapter for Liebherr in Indonesia. A place where ideas grow, innovate, and thrive. The spark has ignited. The future is here.